20 science questions people actually ask. Some are ranked, some are just common, and a few facts you know are flat out wrong. First up, space. Why is the moon visible during the day? The moon orbits Earth on its own schedule. When that orbit puts it in your daytime sky, sunlight still reaches it, so you see it in broad daylight. Why is the sky blue? Sunlight contains every color, but our atmosphere scatters blue wavelengths far more than red, so blue light reaches your eyes from every direction. Will we ever discover aliens? Nobody knows. There's no confirmed evidence of alien life, but with over 6,000 confirmed exoplanets found, the search has never looked more promising. What is a black hole? A black hole is a region where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape once it crosses the edge, called the event horizon. Now down to Earth. How much does the Earth weigh? About 6 sextillion metric tons, that's 6 followed by 21 zeros, measured indirectly using gravity, not a scale. What causes earthquakes? Mostly the sudden release of built-up stress along fault lines, where tectonic plates grind past each other until they slip. Why is the ocean salty? Rivers slowly dissolve minerals from rocks and carry that salt to the sea. Evaporation removes water, not salt, so it built up for billions of years. How much of the ocean have we explored? NOAA own figures. About 29% of the seafloor is mapped with modern sonar. But explorers have actually seen less than 0.001% of it with their own eyes, an area roughly the size of Rhode Island. How does that even work? How do airplanes stay in the air? Wing shape and angle redirect airflow, creating a pressure difference that combines with engine thrust to keep the plane up. It's more than the simple equal airspeed myth you've probably heard. Now myths about your own body. Do we only use 10% of our brain? No. Brain scans show we use virtually all of our brain, just not every region at once for every task. This myth has no basis in neuroscience. Is blood actually blue in your veins? No. Human blood is always red. It can look blue through skin because of how light scatters, but deoxygenated blood is dark red, never blue. Does your tongue have taste zones? No. Every taste bud can sense all 5 basic tastes. The tongue map traces back to a misinterpreted 1901 study, and was debunked by later research. Does knuckle-cracking cause arthritis? No good evidence for it. Dr. Donald Unger cracked the knuckles of one hand for about 60 years, no arthritis in either hand. He published the result in Arthritis and Rheumatism in 1998, and won an Ig Nobel Prize in 2009. How many senses do humans have? More than 5. The exact number depends on how you define a sense, but scientists generally count at least 9, and some lists run past 20. Does the 5-second rule work? No. Studies show bacteria can transfer to food in under a second. The 5-second rule doesn't meaningfully protect you. Do goldfish have a 3-second memory? No, it's a myth. Multiple studies show goldfish can remember tasks for months, not seconds. Do you swallow spiders in your sleep? No. This fact was actually fabricated to demonstrate how myths spread online. There's no evidence it happens, and no real study behind the number. A little everyday science. How many bones are in the human body? Adults have 206 bones, but babies are born with about 300, and many fuse together as they grow. And here's what science still doesn't know. What is dark matter? Nobody knows for certain. We can measure its gravitational effects on galaxies, but what dark matter actually is remains one of the biggest open questions in physics. Why do we dream? Science still doesn't have a single answer. Leading theories include memory processing and emotional regulation, but no theory is fully proven. It's still active research. 20 questions, real sources, linked on screen. Which one surprised you most?